Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the second build of OxygenOS by Team Dark. So let's get started. As you can see, we are running OxygenOS. This is developed by Team Dark. In this OxygenOS, the fingerprint problem is now fixed. As you can see, we can now use fingerprint. Face lock is also working fine. So no problem at all. If you want to see what's working, what's not working, you can see the previous video of OxygenOS, which is in the I button or in the description of the video. In today's video, I will show you the installation part, how to install this ROM. To start, all the files are in the description. You can download, keep it in the internal storage, or just put it in OTG just like me. Now reboot to recovery. To go into recovery, we have to press power button and volume down button at same time and wait for some time. Now we have to click power up button until we see the recovery mode option. As you can see, recovery mode is there. Now we will click power button. As you can see, we are in our recovery mode. Now we will install the ROM. Orange Fox and TWRP both has the same process of installation. To install this ROM, we have to wipe everything: Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. If you put your files in internal storage, don't wipe your internal storage. Now swipe to wipe. Go back. Now locate your files. First click on the ROM and swipe to flash and wait until it got flashed. As you can see, our installation is now complete. Now go back and go to wipe. You can go to wipe and you can see the format data option here, or you can go to manage partition, click on data, click here, format data, type yes. It's now formatting the data. Now go back and flash Magisk. We need a root. As you can see, the Magisk is successfully flashed, and we have to flash one more zip, which we will flash after the first boot. Now let's reboot and set up the phone. As you can see, we are now booted into OxygenOS. Now let's set up the phone. Now you can see we are getting fingerprint option. After setup is complete, you can see we have root installed. Now we have to flash one more zip to fix some problem. For that, power off the phone and again go to the recovery mode by pressing power and volume down button at same time. Now press the power up button until you see recovery mode option and press power button. And now we have to flash one more file. For that, mount system, then locate your file, OP add-on zip, click on that and swipe to install. Now reboot the system. Now wait for some time. You can see we have some app got installed. First app, Gcam. As you can see, Gcam is perfectly working. Now go to the settings of the Gcam, go to advanced and click on auxiliary camera and enable the telephoto and the wide angle lens. Now you can see if we click on 2.2, we go to ultra wide. If we click on 1x, it's normal lens, and if we click to 0.6, it's 2x lens. So everything is working. Now for alert slider, you can use this app. Just open and give all the permission it want. And if you want like OnePlus alert slider, enable it from here and give root permission. Now you can see it's working like alert slider. To make it easy, click on this pencil button and add this option from here. Now you can see we have alert slider like option. Now for DC dimming, open this app and click next and enable a service and give the permission it want. Click OK. As you can see, now DC dimming is working. You can control your brightness from here. To make it easy, again click on here, add this OLED saver button here. Now from here you can turn on DC dimming, turn off DC dimming and turn on DC dimming. It's that easy. And for torch, as you can see, if you click on this button, torch is not working. So for torch, click on this button, grant root permission, click on select device, select OnePlus 5T and select and click apply. Now go here, remove this torch button and click on this master torch and click here. Now you can see torch is working normally. So our installation is now complete. Everything is working fine except VoLTE Wi-Fi calling. As you can see, it's smooth also. Auto brightness is also working. For rest of the specification and what's working, what's not, you can watch the video which is in the I button or in the link in the description. All the files we used here, the link is in the description. So thanks for watching.